Hello everyone, this is Prof. Amany Aamer from ITEC Demo, and today inshallah we were going to discuss together the speaking lesson job profile description of a mechanic technician part 1. Now before we start our lesson guys, let's discuss the objectives. Number 1, we will discuss together the requirements of a manufacturer. We will learn about the duties of a manufacturer or a mechanic technician, and we will discuss his activities. There is a link here of a video. I want you to click on that link and go to watch the video and then come back and attend our lesson. So, speaking about mechanics responsibilities, we have a lot of responsibilities for a mechanic technician, but we will talk briefly about them. Now, the mechanic's responsibilities include: number 1, building and assembling machines or mechanical components according to requirements. So you have to build and assemble the machines or any mechanical component. Number 2, inspecting machines, engines, and transmissions, and run diagnostic tests to discover functionality issues. So you have to run diagnostic tests or checks on the parts of the machines and the machine itself to make sure that the machine is working properly or working well. Number 3, conducting repairs aiming for maximum reliability. So you have to do all the repairs necessary for the perfect performance for your machine. These are some of the responsibilities. Now, what about the mechanic job description? If you went to an interview or you saw an ad on a magazine or a newspaper, you will face this form of the ad, okay, as the following. You may face: we are looking for a skilled mechanic to assemble, maintain, and repair machinery and vehicles. You'll be responsible for ensuring functionality and reliability of machines, engines, and mechanical systems. So this part of an ad we call job description. Now the job description includes everything you have to do in that job, everything that you are responsible for. Another part of the mechanic job description: an excellent mechanic must have manual dexterity and great attention to detail. So you must pay attention to all the details. You have to be aware of everything. They must be able to work with various machines and tools, as well as follow all the safety precautions. So you have to be able to work with different machines and different tools and follow all the guidelines or the safety precautions. Okay, so these are some of the mechanical technician responsibilities. What are all of the responsibilities? Okay, let's find out together what are the responsibilities. Number 1, build and assemble machines or mechanical components according to requirements. So you have to build and assemble machines or mechanical components. Number 2, you have to inspect machines, engines, or transmissions and run diagnostic tests to discover functionality issues. So as we have mentioned before, you have to do checks and we have to do diagnostic tests every now and then to make sure that the machine you are dealing with is working in the best way. Number 3, conduct repairs aiming for maximum reliability. Number 4, troubleshoot reported problems and resolve them in a timely manner. So you have to troubleshoot reported problems and of course resolve them in as possible as you can. Number 5, perform through maintenance on machinery, equipment, and systems. Okay, so not only you have to repair what's not working on the machine, but also you have to perform maintenance. You have to maintain or do maintenance checks or tests on the machine to make sure that the machine in the future will work as best as it can. And finally, clean and apply lubricants to machinery components. You have to clean the working area and make sure everything is clean and proper for working again. These were the responsibilities, but what about the requirements? Okay, what are the requirements of a mechanic technician? Number 1, proven experience as a mechanic. You have to have an experience to work as a mechanic. Okay, any kind of experience. It could be your study or any experience that you have from previous work or anything that you experienced in that field. Number 2, excellent knowledge of machinery and hydraulic, electrical, and other systems and their components. So you have to know and you have to have an excellent knowledge of all the systems of machinery, hydraulic, electrical, and other systems. 3, ability to follow established procedures and practices and read instruction and blueprints. You have to follow all the procedures and the guidelines and the safety instructions in order to be safe and to make everyone around you safe as well. Number 4, a strong commitment to all health and safety guidelines. The same thing as the previous one. Number 5, very good communication skills. You have to have a very good communication skills in order to communicate with your mates or your boss. Okay, so this one is very important to your job. Number 7, a problem-solving ability. So you have to have an ability to solve problems. 8, very good physical strength and stamina. So you have to be physically strong and you have to have stamina. What the meaning of stamina means you have to be able to carry everything and go through everything. Okay? Number 9, high school diploma is preferred. So this is a kind of a certification from a vocational school or completion of apprenticeship is a definite plus. So with a high school diploma or a certificate, of course, it's going to be a privilege for you. And the last one, valid certification is preferred as well. As we said, if you have a certificate or certification, this will be a plus for you. So all of these things are the requirements of a mechanical technician. You have to have all of these things to be a perfect mechanical technician or to be perfect for this job. Now, as a home assignment, I want you to answer the following questions. Number 1, what are the qualities of a good mechanic? Number 2, mention the duties of mechanic technician. Number 3, speak about the activities that a mechanic technician should do. Thank you so much, guys. See you inshallah next video. Bye bye.